Be it a conference, meeting, workshop, or training session, nothing is complete without an outstanding presentation. And to create a stunning PowerPoint presentation, an appealing template is a must. But there are thousands of templates scattered all over the web. Are you looking for a platform that offers professionally designed PowerPoint templates and diagrams all in one place, and that too at the most affordable prices? AuthorStream, your favorite presentation sharing platform, now brings you AuthorStream Template Marketplace, your one-stop solution to the best PowerPoint themes, designs, and backgrounds. You will find a wide collection of professionally designed PowerPoint templates and diagrams at half the price you get anywhere on the web. While you are browsing AuthorStream, you can find the PowerPoint template tab here on the ribbon. From the drop-down menu, you can either select the PowerPoint templates or diagrams. Scroll down the page to search among a wide collection of professionally designed templates and diagrams. A PowerPoint template sets the theme for your presentation and comprises a suitable image that blends with your topic, plus placeholders to enter your headline, product information, and any other detail. The image in the template cannot be altered as it is a JPEG file, but you have the liberty to change font, its color, and layout if you wish to. On the other hand, a PowerPoint diagram consists of graphs or shapes that can be altered as per your requirement. These diagrams are vector files and are 100% editable. They can thus be enlarged or resized without any loss of quality. On AuthorStream Template Marketplace, you will find templates across different categories like business, education, food, fitness, and more from here. And if you have lots of data, you can choose from the most amazing collection of PowerPoint diagrams to create magic with numbers like arrows, pie charts, flow charts. You will find all these and more right here. All the most popular PowerPoint templates and diagrams among our users on different categories are listed here. To look for the latest templates and diagrams added to the list, click on the tab Recently Added. From the left block, select the category that suits your needs either for the template or diagram and choose among the different and wide collection. When you find one, click on the thumbnail or the title and see how the template or diagram looks in the PowerPoint slide. On the right hand side of the page, you will find the other details of the template like version, how many users have bought this template, category of the template, vendor's name, price, and the buy now button. When you find the perfect template for your presentation, you can go ahead and click on this buy now button. In order to buy any template or diagram, you need to be an AuthorStream member, as we would also be sending you the download link of the template or diagram you purchased to your registered email ID. You can make the payment either by your credit card or by using your PayPal account. Click on the Make Payment button and you will be directed to a secure gateway for payment. Further, fill in your details, card information, and hit the Submit button. After completing the payment process, you will be redirected back to our website. You can view details of your order and download the purchase template or diagram right away by clicking the Download button. We will send you the payment confirmation email at your email ID along with the download link of the template or diagram, which will be valid for the next 3 days of the payment. However, you can download the purchase templates or diagrams anytime by clicking here. All the templates and diagrams you purchased along with your invoice will be listed in the purchase template history. From here, you can download the templates or diagrams and their invoice in different formats. You can even search for a particular template or diagram by typing the keyword in the search box. All templates and diagrams relevant to that keyword will be displayed on your screen. So go ahead and transform the look of your next presentation and win over your audience with these stunning PowerPoint templates and diagrams. All these at the most affordable prices. Thank you.